Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make crispy Parmesan chicken with spinach in a creamy tomato sauce. This is easy enough to prepare on a weeknight when you don't have much time but want a comforting meal. It's perfect served over pasta or by itself for a lighter meal. These are 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are thinly sliced. If you're using thick breasts, pound them flat so they're thinner. I've washed them and patted them dry. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup plain breadcrumbs, and a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, fresh spinach leaves. I'm using baby spinach, about 4 ounces. If you're using larger leaves, cut them up into bite-sized pieces. 3/4 of a cup of tomato sauce. We'll also need 1/2 cup of whole milk. Beat up the egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Sprinkle one side of the chicken with salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Turn the chicken over and sprinkle the other side with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Coat the chicken completely in the flour. Shake off the excess. Mix up the breadcrumbs and cheese. Dip the chicken in the egg. And let the excess drip off. Coat the chicken in the breadcrumbs and cheese. Press to make sure the entire breast is coated well. Set this aside. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of olive oil. Enough to coat the bottom. When the oil is hot, add the chicken. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. Since these are thin chicken breasts, they cook very quickly, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm using a stainless steel pan, and the chicken was sticking to the pan a little bit, and I had to slowly get under the chicken to scrape it off the pan. If you use a cast iron pan or a non-stick pan, it'll be foolproof, and you don't have to worry about any of the coating sticking to the pan. The chicken is cooked. Remove from the pan and set aside. When the pan is cool, wipe it out. Heat up the same pan and add a few tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 small onion chopped and 4 small garlic cloves chopped, about 1 teaspoon. A sprinkle of salt. Stir and cook this until golden. Now add 2 pinches of red chili flakes. Crush a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano in your palms and add it to the pan. 3/4 of a cup of tomato sauce, a little salt. Simmer for 2 minutes and add the spinach leaves. I add 1/2 of the spinach first, stir it, let it wilt, and then add the other 1/2. Otherwise, it's difficult to stir it into the sauce. Cook for 2 minutes until the spinach is soft. Add 1/2 cup of whole milk. Stir and simmer this for another 2 minutes. Taste and add more salt or pepper if you like. If your tomato sauce is very sour, add a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. To make the sauce richer, add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Our spinach and tomato sauce is ready. It's thick and creamy. The chicken is perfectly cooked and juicy. You've got the protein, vegetable, and sauce all in one dish, and it came together very quickly. Give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.